Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, and we are here to present an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to overlook any critical updates that may affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Experience the capabilities of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. As of October 8, 2024, our system has identified QQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.78. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 1.45%. This equates to an average return of 0.09% per day since it received the buy candidate designation. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned in the upper part of a weak rising trend in the short term. This scenario often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower section of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $500.87 would indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 9.96% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 5.58% to 10.96%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 25.74% over the next year, with a potential return between 16.68% and 36.18%. This translates to a price range between $579.19 and $675.96 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the QQQ includes the headline, Red Day on Wednesday for the QQQ ETF after losing 0.756%. The QQQ ETF price decreased by 0.756% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, dropping from $500.16 to $496.38. During the last trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 0.90%, ranging from a low of $495.89 to a high of $500.35. The price has increased on 8 of the last 10 days and has risen by 1.11% over the past 2 weeks. Volume on the last day rose by 3 million shares, although this increase occurred alongside declining prices. This could serve as an early warning, indicating a slightly elevated risk in the coming days. In total, 28 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $13.89 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $503.52, while the lowest was $351.62. Currently, the price stands 1.42%, or $7.14, below the 52-week high of $503.52, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Investments in generative artificial intelligence have surged dramatically in the year 2024, indicating a robust market interest that has the potential to enhance growth within the technology sector. This surge particularly affects exchange-traded funds, or ETFs like QQQ, which are heavily weighted towards technology stocks. As large corporations and venture capitalists invest record amounts into this area, we may see increased valuations for tech stocks, which could positively influence QQQ's price in the short term. Additionally, the ongoing earnings season, particularly within the tech sector, is crucial. Strong results from major technology companies could significantly boost QQQ in the near future, likely drawing in more investors. However, there are growing concerns regarding overvaluation. Strategists highlight that while QQQ's growth rate is remarkable, it is approaching the peak of its cycle. This situation may deter some investors who are wary of a potential market correction, which could exert downward pressure on the ETF's price over time. Notably, investment actions by billionaires, such as Ken Griffin's recent increase of 584% in his position in QQQ, signal confidence from major investors. Such endorsements can create a ripple effect, enticing retail investors and further bolstering the ETF's price. Overall, while the immediate outlook appears promising, with heightened interest and potentially strong earnings ahead, investors should remain vigilant about the valuation risks that may emerge in the long term. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. There are mixed signals in the exchange-traded fund today. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, and so far, it has decreased by approximately 0.75%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the ETF should be monitored more closely. The QQQ ETF holds buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, offering a positive outlook for the stock. Moreover, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between the two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. On downward corrections, there will be some support from the levels at $494.84 and $487.37. A breakdown below any of these levels will signal a sell. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 13 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 37 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 34 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 37 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 237 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop-loss levels for QQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's price level from accumulated volume at $448.75 and $439.53. There is an inherent risk when an exchange-traded fund tests a support level, as a break below this level could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, QQQ finds support at $448.75. If this level is breached, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $439.53 and $435.37. Generally, this exchange-traded fund exhibits very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered quite low. Over the last day, the exchange-traded fund moved $4.46 between its high and low, which is a change of 0.90%. For the past week, the daily average volatility of the exchange-traded fund has been 1%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for QQQ, let us briefly examine some key fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either a lack of confidence in the company's future prospects or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at 497.50 cents. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, QQQ faces its first support level at 448.75 cents. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $480.56, which represents a decline of 3.19%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, contributing to a minimal risk profile. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is the QQQ ETF a worthwhile investment? Several short-term indicators, combined with an overall positive trend, suggest that we may be witnessing a buying opportunity at the current level. There is a reasonable expectation for the QQQ ETF to perform favorably in the near future. By examining the volatility and trading movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Thursday, the last day of October, we anticipate that QQQ will open higher by $1.16, starting at $497.54. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.